Why reading books is important for learning English. Reading books is one of the best ways to learn English. First, it helps expand your vocabulary. As you read, you come across new words that you may not encounter in everyday conversations. This broadens your knowledge of the language. Second, reading books improves your grammar. By seeing how sentences are constructed and understanding different tenses, you can learn grammar in context. Third, reading enhances your comprehension skills. The more you read, the better you understand the meaning of texts and improve your ability to interpret information. Fourth, reading books exposes you to various writing styles and genres, allowing you to improve both your writing and speaking skills. Lastly, reading in English can also be enjoyable. Choose books that interest you, whether fiction, non-fiction, or comics. With regular reading, your English will improve naturally and quickly.